Member of Parliament and Senior Advocate Supreme Court Mahesh Jethmalani put out a tweet this morning saying that there should be a UAPA case against Sonia Gandhi. There should be a criminal case filed by the NIA. You've taken it very far. You also said that the Congress party, especially the Nehru-Gandhi family, the Vadra family, has got away so far with many cases, whether it be Augusta, Westland, National Herald and other cases in which they haven't been implicated yet. You were sounding a little frustrated with the pace of those investigations in your tweet. What's your take on this one?
Well, I don't think I've gone too far on this. I think the offence under the UAPA is manifest from the documentation, which nobody has denied. And are you surprised by the absence of any word on this matter by the Congress party? They have nothing to say.
They say it's ghatia. They say it's ghatia. They've said the charges are ghatia and baseless and a response to their issues raised on Adani.
But this is in the face of overwhelming evidence, this is a mere denial. It's a little abusive denial, right? It's a vehement denial, but it's not backed up with any evidence. On the other hand, you have a website. Sonia Gandhi cannot deny that she was connected with that forum, right? Forum for Democratic Leaders, Asia Pacific. She wasn't. She is a co-president. She occupies a very, very high position. There is the Soros link because the George Soros Foundation funds that forum to a large extent. It may be the major funder, in fact. B, apart from the Soros connection, it is the platform which that advances, that forum advances. The platform is that Kashmir should be in an independent state. It is secessionist, it is separatist, it's anti-Indian and it's anti our constitution. It's a very serious offence and it is punishable under the UAPA. It's an unlawful activity, and what Sonia Gandhi has been doing with this foundation, this forum, Soros-funded forum, comes squarely within the meaning of an unlawful activity.
They say it happens a long time back. Their other argument is it happened a long time back.
So are you saying that you're a reformed secessionist now? That you were a one-time secessionist, but now you're not?
But they're saying George Soros is a nice guy. He's a wonderful person. He's not an investor. He's a concerned world citizen, a great friend of Shashi Tharoor, who calls him a concerned world citizen.
He's a profiteer, and this world citizen is a world which he inhabits on his own. He uses his wealth, I don't know where he's obtained it from, billions of dollars. He uses it for what he calls for the advancement of an open society. That open society is no more than a euphemism, which I put in a previous tweet, for profiteering from short sales, doing retail investors in the countries where he short sells, which is a direct consequence, and B, illegal immigration is the other plank of this open society. What is the open society except borderless countries? He's against countries and boundaries. You know why? Because he wants illegal immigrants of every ilk.
But he's not been stopped so far. I have heard, I have nothing to substantiate it right now, so I'm not naming individuals, but there are individuals, senior advocates, who have held the position of additional solicitor generals, who directly or through their family members have run NGOs which have got dozens of crores of rupees from George Soros and George Soros-linked organizations. All of this stuff has been pretty much out in the open. Mahesh Jethmalani, it's been so in Delhi, Lutein circles, it's like, okay, George Soros has given money to a lot of people. Sonia Gandhi also got a position. What's the big deal? Why is Mahesh Jethmalani getting so worked up early in the morning to put out these furious tweets now? It's been par for the course. It's happened all along.
Yeah, right. That's Lutyens Delhi then. If that's what Lutyens Delhi's chorus is, then Lutyens Delhi be damned. Because as far as I'm concerned, George Soros is anti-national so far as India is concerned. He's meddling in our affairs. And who is he? What is the citizen of the world that he claims to be? Which citizen is he a national of? And if he likes illegal immigration and borderless countries, right? Why doesn't he go and settle the North Pole?
Yeah, but your government has been in power for 10 years and more. Are you getting out of this live and let live approach that we've seen for the last 10 years? You've said yourself, if you make so many accusations against the Gandhi, Vadra, Nehru family, not one has there been a conviction. Augusta, Westland, National Herald case, or this particular case. It's all, is it being used for political leverage? That's what people will think if there's no follow-up.
I agree with you.
Or the cases against Robert, what is this fellow, that Priyanka Vadra's husband?
Yeah, the land
Robert
grabbing
Vadra.
case.
Huh. Yeah.
Land grabbing case.
Yeah. What
land
happened?
allotment cases by the Haryana government.
Yeah, what happened? What happened?
Nothing. They're still pending.
Why nothing? Why pending? 10 years pending. Why?
In fact, they've now revived, the BOFAs have been revived. Right? But they're pending because of tardy investigation. And listen, ultimately, Arnab, this is the nub of the matter. Unless you prosecute these persons successfully, right? And not just use this as optics.
Leverage.
Optics or leverage or whatever it is, unless you do more than that and uphold the law, these people are going to continue to be a thorn in the side of India. And not only a thorn in the side of India, because their potential for mischief within India is severely circumscribed with all the laws we have now. But they will now rely upon foreign actors who have an interest in controlling this country. Soros, by the way, doesn't act only on his own. He has deep links with the democratic deep state, deep links with the CCCP. Right?
Yeah.
So he is an enemy of this country.
Yeah.
He's an enemy of a strong India, something which the Congress can't provide.
Yeah, I look upon what's happening right now as the last cry and the last try of a dying lobby. But yet, I think your tweet was very interesting today with Spout on Republic World, ladies and gentlemen. And by the way, on Republic World, Mahesh Jethmalani's tweet, and it's a furious tweet that he put out this morning. And that's what I like about Mahesh Jethmalani. He takes the party line, but he has a little bit of his own line as well. Reminds me very much of his brilliant late father. Thank you very much, Mahesh Jethmalani, for joining me tonight. It's a pleasure talking to you, sir. Thank you very much.